I'm going to share with you in this video one of the easiest, fastest, smartest way for you to get your first 4,000 watch hours on this video. First of all, before I actually head straight to the point, I want to show you two creators that I know that actually use the smartest way to get their first 4,000 watch hours, and they actually got monetized and they are earning their money, and their channel is really doing well. Look at this channel right here. He has gotten his first 4,000 watch hours and got this channel monetized some few months back. You can go to this channel and check how his videos are actually performing very well. And look at the second person here. He also used Restream to get his first 4,000 watch hours. I also have this lady right here that also used Restream to gain over 6,000 subscribers as of the time I'm filming this video. I also use Restream that I stream for just 2 hours to get over 1,000 watch hours. So here in this video, I'm going to show you the best way in which you can use Restream to gain yourself lots of watch hours. Trust me, what you just need is just a strong internet connection and a video to loop. It doesn't matter the kind of video you are using to Restream. I have a lady right here, Talk with KG. The video that actually gave her hundreds of views is just a video of her eating with her son, or sometimes she eating alone, and people get to watch it. That is to say that irrespective of the kind of video you are using, you can still get lot of views, lot of subscribers and watch hours on your channel.
First of all, you have to come to your Chrome browser. So all you just need to do just to type here restream.io, as you can see it right here on my screen, and you send it. Okay, let's assume you have already edited the videos you want to use. Like I said on the video, you could use your own video and you could use any other video that you want. So what you just need to do is just come here and click on this new. So if you are fresh to this app, the very first thing you need to do is to sign up with your Google account, your email address that is linked to your YouTube, before you can proceed with this. I've already signed up, so you click on this Restream Studio. So when you click on that, just give it time for this to come up, guys. So you need to mute your microphone and your camera. So muting these two things, that whatever thing that is happening where I am right now, people that are watching this live stream will not hear it, right? And this camera is that it will not capture anywhere in my house. So you need to mute these two places. Just click here to enter studio. So after entering the studio, you have two options right here. You have the options for PC and the options for phone. So I'm actually using my phone to do this Restream. So what I don't need to do, I need to click here. You need to put it in this phone and you click any of those, and you click on add scene. You click on media, you choose this first one, you click here to add source. Then you now come to this option and click on local video. So when you now click on local video, let's click on browse features so that I can actually bring in the video I want to use for my stream, which is this one right here. I'll just go ahead and click on it. So click on those three dots and click on this loop so that it will help the video to be playing repeatedly, right? So this video is just like 21 seconds, but I can use it to stream for more than 10 hours as far as my data is there and everything by clicking on this loop option. So click on this pencil icon. So if you have a thumbnail, you click here to upload it. And if you have a description for your live stream, you click here to upload it. I just want to change the title of the video, right? I will just say enjoying village food with my siblings, right? So I'm just going to click on update, or I don't have any thumbnail for this. So after doing all of those things like this, you need to click here to select the YouTube channel you actually want to use. I've linked my two channels to this, so that's the more reason why I need to come here and click on the channel I actually want to use to do this live stream, and click on save. What and click here to go live. As normal countdown, like count 3, 2, 1, yeah, live, and that's for
So guys, Now that you actually know how you can use this Restream to gain yourself lots of watchers on YouTube, please do well to try it out. And while you are trying it, make sure you avoid videos that contains copyrighted music or video that is being uploaded on YouTube before, to avoid being striked. So if you can actually make of your own content, it's fine. So if you also need a well detailed tutorial in order to gain watchers using another method, do well to watch this video right here or here, either of the two places. I'll place the video there for you to watch. That's another method, not Restream, not a normal live stream. Do well to just watch the video to find out yourself. Bye guys, and I'm going to see you in my next video.